Just a very short video. That is actually version 7 rocking away there. And I'm quite pleased because that's rocking and these aren't. Well, that one's just got a tiny bit of motion. So that one's rocking better than the others, than the shop bought ones. That's version 6, and as I say, you won't notice the difference. There is a difference, but it's mainly the angle of the arm. I've moved him slightly further that way, so the balance is better. So it needs less to get it rocking. I wasn't going to do a video of this one, but I've had so many comments on the previous ones, I thought I'd better just show it. So that is version 7, and that was version 6. I thought I'd better just show. It's not actually raining. It hasn't rained today, but it's now just gone 5 o'clock at night. So it's beginning to get dark. Clouds are going over anyway, so it's going to get dark. And yet he is still going quite happily. So I must have got the balance right finally. Mind you, I haven't watched it in daylight. It probably rocks too wild in daylight. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there. And you might like to subscribe over there.